Hey guys, my name is Richard from Homework Hookup, and this is a video on how to solve ASVAB problems, particularly from the arithmetic reasoning category. If you're planning to take the ASVAB, which is the military entrance exam, and you need to study, I definitely would recommend these videos and any other resources online. But let's get to it. So this problem says, every day Bert spends an hour commuting to and from his office. 1 hour at an average speed of 50 miles per hour and taking the same route each way. How far does Bert live from his office? Okay, so what I like to do with problems like this is definitely want to make sure that, well, first let me switch to pen mode. There we go. First thing I want to do is you want to highlight anything that might be important. So the fact that it takes an hour, that's important. Commuting to and from work, that's definitely important. Want to get that, commuting to and from. Okay, how fast he's going, 50 miles per hour. And then we also want to take into account that it's the same way to and from. Okay, very good. Excuse me. So now what I would recommend is just kind of writing down everything and understanding. So the fact that, the first thing we want to look at is the fact that it takes an hour to go to and from work. We want to really accommodate for that. So let's say this is his home, poorly drawn home, and let's say his work, so something like this, right? Work. Okay, good enough. And obviously he's going to and from work. So what we need to consider is that he's driving to work, right? And then when he gets out of work, arrow, he drives back home. So this whole commute in total is 1 hour, is what they're saying. That's very important to know. So 1 hour. Okay, so the next thing to consider is how fast he's going. So he's going 50 miles per hour, mph. So what this says is that with 1 hour, when it passes, he would have traveled 50 miles. So definitely want to circle that or underline that. Okay, very good. And we kind of already accommodated for the same route each way. So he's going there one way and coming back the same way. Okay, so now we can do this problem. So this is actually very simple. So the fact that going to and from work takes 1 hour, right? And we know that he's traveling a speed of 50 miles per hour. That means that to and from work, he would have driven 50 miles. So to and from work is 50 miles. However, what we want to know, 50 miles, there we go. Good enough. So what we want to know is how far exactly is his home from his office. So essentially, if he's going boom, boom, then what we're actually looking at is how far does it just go, how far is it from just here to here? Well, if the whole thing is 50 miles, then it makes sense that from one place to another place is just half of that, right? So we would just cut this 50 miles in half, and we would get 25 miles. Yeah, 25 miles. Yeah, good enough. So that's exactly how far his office is from his home. So that's how you would do a problem like this. If you have any questions, or if any comments, feel free to leave any comments. Also, please feel free to visit my website, Homework Hookup. The link will be in the description of the video. I will bring more ASVAB videos to this YouTube channel, and if you have any suggestions as far as problems you need help with, comment on it, and I'll see what I can do. But otherwise, have a great day, and I hope this helped you out. Okay, thanks. Bye.